Hello, my name is Kevin Piers at EXFO, and today I'm going to show you how to download EXFO Exchange Mobile and start up offline mode. So on your smart device, go ahead and load up your app or Play Store, search for EXFO, and you should see all the apps from EXFO, and we need EXFO Exchange. So select it and install. So once it's installed, you'll go ahead and open it up. If you already have an EXFO Exchange account or a Fast Reporter 3 login, you can go ahead and continue with email to log into your Exchange workspace. In this example, we're going to show you how to continue without an ID. What this allows you to do is interface and connect to our test equipment without sending your results into the cloud. So if you want to generate reports on your smart device, you would log in with this method here. The results will sync to your smart device, but will not sync to the cloud. My name is Kevin Piers. Thank you very much.